When his baby was born, along with everything that comes with being a father, Kailash was suddenly worried about one more thing. It was this. He didn't want to look old and bald. He wanted to look younger. For his wife, for his baby, for the events and celebrations that followed, for all those first photographs that you keep forever. Hi everyone, I'm Arpit Goyal, CEO at Berkowits Hair Skin Clinics. And today, I'm here to tell you the story of Kailash and how he chose hair replacement at Berkowits for his hair loss. Before anything else, Kailash, if you're watching this, I hope you and your family and your son are happy and healthy. And to our viewers, you're about to witness what it is like to get your hair patch done at India's first and leading hair replacement company. What Kailash needed wasn't just a procedure. He needed someone to actually listen, to understand what was at stake for him, the bridge between his self-image and what the mirror showed, and then to deliver properly, carefully, with expertise. We started with a detailed consultation. Our specialist assessed his scalp and showed him different base and attachment options. What was decided then was a custom hair patch, mapped precisely to his scalp, his hairline, his natural texture. Then the team measured the area of hair loss precisely and created a custom mold. Not a standard size, not an off-the-shelf solution. A mold built specifically for his scalp, with his natural hair and texture. Then came the attachment. His scalp was carefully prepared, cleaned and prepped to ensure the best possible adhesion. The hair patch was then attached using medical-grade adhesives, safe, tested, specifically designed for this. And then, our styling team cut and blended the patch hair with his existing hair, so that no one, not even on looking closely, could tell where one ended and the other began. The whole thing took a couple of hours. My team told me that he looked in the mirror and was stunned. He kept touching his hairline, almost as if he couldn't believe his eyes. And he walked with a huge grin on his face. That's what a good hair replacement system actually is. It's not a shortcut, it's craftsmanship. Every month, Kailash comes in for maintenance. He mentions that it's basically like a regular monthly barber visit. That's because we take care of the patch, cleansing, reattachment, and your haircut as well. If you're watching this, contemplating whether hair patch could be your solution, I want you to know this. It's worth it, and you are worth it. So if you want to start your own journey, come in and talk to us. No pressure, no rush. Just an honest conversation about where you are and what's possible. The link to book a consultation is in the description. Let's figure it out together. If Kailash's story resonated with you, please like this video and subscribe for more from the Berkowits family. See you in the next one.